She's playing with her crinkle book. Hi, Annie. Are you playing with your book? Are you playing with your crinkle book? And watching more Rugrats. It's very distracting for me, but she likes it. Hi, Audrina. What are you doing? Nothing? Just playing with your crinkle book and watching TV? Yeah? Well, that's exciting. Yeah. Oh. Did you know your bib says I love mommy? And I love you too. Yeah. You like playing with the side? Look at your little concentrated face. Do you hear a doggy on TV? Does it remind you of Star? Huh? Does he remind you of Star?